Good morning, students. Yes, welcome back for the class. That is, topic is periodic classification of elements. Already we have discussed 4 to 5 sessions of this topic about this before the modern period table. Already we are discussing about the modern period table. Before the modern period table, we have discussed about the Governor law of triad. The second one was Newland's laws of octaves. The third one was Mendeleev period table. We call Mendeleev as father of periodic table. Even I told the difference of Mendel and Mendeleev. Mendel called as he was related with the genetics. Was related with the genetics. Modern of father of modern genetics. That is Mendel, or the father of genetics. That is Mendel is there, and Mendeleev, that is in chemistry, father of modern, that is periodic table, not modern periodic table, periodic table. Modern periodic table was prepared by Henry Moseley in 1913. Around 100 years back, he prepared this modern periodic table. At that time, there were 103 elements were there. 103. Out of that, 84 to 86 elements were naturally available. Remaining were those all were considered as artificial. Atomic number 43, atomic number 85, both were considered as artificial elements. Apart from that, in that atomic number 1 to 92, so many elements were considered as artificially identified materials. When you go for the heaviest element at the time was uranium 92. Now it has become 98th element is considered as heaviest element. So the system is changing. Why these all are changes? Reason is, and why they are making from 103 elements, why they have made 118 elements in the present scenario. Will it ends here only, or will it continue still more? Yes, it will not end here. It continues, and it becomes at last 218 elements. 218 elements. It never stops here. It becomes 218 elements. At the end will be 218th element. Somewhere I have seen that word B U O. B U O. B means by, un, octium. B means by means 2. Un means 1. Octium means 8. Maximum elements will be 218. Even they have predicted that there will be the fifth block. It is called as G block. It's a prediction. We don't know what they will change the name in the future. S, P, D, F is already there. 4 blocks are there, but prediction is about the fifth block is G block on a famous scientist, famous chemist, Glenn Seaborg is a G block. Still, we'll think about it. Now, presently, we are having 118 elements. Out of 118 elements, 98 are naturally available elements, 20 are artificially prepared. 98. These all, we are having millions of compounds. Starting from early morning, the brushing of teeth, that brush is there, paste is there, wearing of dresses, the polished dress is there, poly and ester will be there, or the wearing of the specs, dress, bags, shoes, all the materials, whatever we are using it, all are having, or all are made up of different materials. All are from different compounds, and all the compounds will be formed from the different elements. And we are having hardly 98 naturally available elements, and we are having millions of compounds, especially organic compounds are more. Millions of compounds are in organic chemical only, organic chemistry only. So only there is a separate branch of chemistry in the that is called as organic chemistry, study of carbon and its compounds. Already we discussed about chapter number 4, carbon compounds, millions of compounds. But these all compounds are made up of only 98 naturally available elements. Out of 98, now we'll go for it. Out of 98, in this 98 natural available elements, non-metals are 18. Non-metals are 18. We are able to identify non-metals very easily. We'll go for it. Which are those? That is hydrogen, atomic number 1. Atomic number 2 is helium. Atomic number 3, lithium is the metal. Atomic number 4, that is beryllium, metal. Atomic number 5, boron, it is a metalloid. Number 6 is carbon. Yes, 7 nitrogen, 8 oxygen, 9 fluorine, 10 neon. 10 neon. Then we'll go for directly 15. 14 is silicon, 11, 12, 13, 14 metal and metalloid, 14 is silicon metalloid. 15 is a non-metal, that is phosphorus, sulfur. Yes, phosphorus, sulfur. After that, we are having chlorine, argon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. After which are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements are there because argon is atomic number 18, chlorine 17, sulfur 16, phosphorus 15, neon 14, fluorine neon 10, fluorine 9, oxygen 8, nitrogen 7, carbon 6, helium 2, hydrogen 1. Out of starting 18 elements, atomic number 1 to atomic number 18, we are having 11 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 elements are non-metals. 11 elements are non-metals. 11 still, which are those 5 more? Yes, we are having helium, neon, argon is there. Helium, neon, argon is there. 3 more are remaining, that is krypton, xenon, radon. Here I read krypton, xenon, radon. Yes, 11 plus 3, 14. 11 plus 3, 14 are there. Okay, apart from that, which are those 4 more? Remaining 4 more, which are those? We are having fluorine, chlorine. 2 elements are there. Fluorine, chlorine, group of 17. We are having bromine, iodine, astatine. 3 more elements. So 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17 elements are there now. One more is remained, that is after group number 16, sulfur. Sulfur group is there. It is group number 18. Group number 17 is chlorine. You got it. Comes here. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. 5 more. Group number 16. Oxygen, sulfur and selenium. Selenium is the one more element. Yes, we are having now exactly 18 elements. These are non-metals. Non-metals, here we will get the idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18 group. We are having 14 elements. What is remain now? One is nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus. Group number 16, 3 are there. Group number 17, 5 are there. Group number 18, 6 are there. 3 plus 5 plus 6 will become S, it is 14. Now group number 15, we are having two elements, nitrogen and phosphorus, plus 2. 16 are there. Which are remain now? Hydrogen, carbon, hydrocarbon. Very simple. 16 two elements, 15 two elements, 16 three elements, 17 5 elements, 18 6 elements. Remaining one, that is 1 and 6, that is hydrogen, carbon, hydrocarbon. A very simple technique. 18 elements are there. 18 naturally available elements. Not 18, 19 are naturally available elements. Out of 98, 18 are non-metals. 18 are non-metals. 6 are metalloids. Still there is a confusion that some of the textbook, if you go for a textbooks, some of the books they have mentioned as 7, some of the books they have mentioned as 6. Still it is going on, but 6 are metalloids. How many are remained? 18 plus 6 is 24 plus 74 is 98. So thus 24 non-metals and metalloids and 74 are metals. 74 are metals. Very easy how to, if you identify non-metals, remaining all are metals only. Except after 98, from 99, atomic number 99 to 118, these all are considered as artificial elements. Artificial elements. Last week I was discussing about a topic, that is I was affirmed the periodic table. I drawn the periodic table on the board. Even I was comparing the topic with the electronic configuration. According to the modern periodic law, elements are having the properties or periodic functions of those respective periodicity. Periodicity. What is the reason to get the periodicity? These elements are having the periodic functions of those atomic number. Yes, as well, atomic number 1, it is hydrogen, it has placed first. Atomic number 2, helium, it has placed second. Atomic number 3, it is lithium, it has placed third. Atomic number 4, that is beryllium, it has placed next as per the atomic number. But even the electronic configuration is playing major role for the adjustment of those elements in the periodic table. That is most important. What is electronic configuration? Arrangement of electrons in the shells and subshells. Electronic configuration, arrangement of electrons in the shells and subshells. That is called as electronic configuration. We'll see those all things. What are these shells and subshells? I told it shells last time only. We are having 7 shells. Shells, that is K. Already last year you have studied in the class 9, that is chapter number 3 or 4. Atoms and molecules, or that is one more is structure of an atom. A theory of a person called as Bohr atomic theory or Bohr atomic structure. He proposed this theory, that is called as elements have been arranged in the different shells. The shells, subshells also. K, L, M, N. We have seen only these 4. Next, O, P, Q. We are having presently or currently we are having 7 shells. Currently we are having 7 shells. K shell is having S as subshell. S is subshell of K shell. L shell, S, P. M shell, S, P, D. These all are shells are capital letters and subshells are small letters. M, S, P, D, F. O, S, P, D, F, P, S, P, D, Q, S, P. Now, yes, maybe you remember one more thing. 2n square, where the value of n is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember it, I think all of you remember these all topics. Shells are there. Maybe you don't know about the subshells. You know about the shells. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Subshells are for K shell, S is there, L shell, S, P. These are blocks. Blocks are subshells. S, sharp. The last people I told it. S is sharp, P is principal, D is diffuse, F is fundamental on the basis of atomic spectroscopy. This is the most important topic. Whatever topics which we'll discuss in the class 9 or 10, especially 10, these are having a connecting link to the class 11 and 12. Yes, 2n square formula is there where the value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It has given in class 9th, Bohr's atomic theory. For k, value of n is 2, 1 square. Okay, for k, value of n is 1. For L, value of n is 2, 2 square. For M, 2, 3 square. Number of n, value of n is increasing. For 4, 2, 4 square. For O, what is this so on? No, nothing is there. After 1, 2, 3, 4, we are having 4, 3, 2. S is 1, 1. SP, 1 and 2, 2 are there. SPD, 3 are the 3. SPDF, 4 are there, 4. SPDF, 4 are there once again. 2, 4 square. SPD, SPD, 3 are there. 2, 3 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. SP, 2, 2 are there. 2, 2 square. 2, 1 square. 1 square is 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 square is 4. 4 twos are 8. 3 square is 9. 9 twos are 18. 4 square is 16. 16 twos are 32. 4 square 16. 16 twos are 32. 3 square 9. 9 twos are 18. 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 twos are 8. Yes. Here I told one more point because I am repeating these all topics. Reason is that these are interconnected with each other. Everything is interconnected. S block, I told about S block. S block maximum electrons are 2. D block maximum electrons are 6 plus 4 is there for everything now. D, S, P is there, not P is not. And 4 blocks, S, P, D, F. S is 2. Now starts plus 4 system. P is 6, D is 10, F is 14. F is 14. Yes, here S is there. S is 2. SP, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 is here. SPD, 2 plus 6 plus 10 is equal to 18. 18 is here. SPDF, 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 is 32. Exactly. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 plus 14 is 32. The same continues. Once again 4. 2, 6, 2, 6, 10, 14, 32. 2, 6, 10, 18. 2, 6, 8 is there. Exactly whatever the prediction of Bohr's theory was there, no, or Bohr's atomic theory was there, or structure was there, it was exactly right. This PDF, 4 blocks, these all are here. Now we'll correlate these all words with the main period table and energy level diagram. I was doing energy level diagram on that day. We'll see how the arrangement, why electronic configuration is most important for us in the modern periodic table or the future. It is also called as the word something. If you want to get the idea about this modern future periodic table, no, is to go for a word in the Google, that is Google Chrome. In the images you can get the word extended periodic table. Extended periodic table, you are going to get 218 elements with a new periodic table. Wonderful, they have arrangement. Future, still it is there. We don't know how it works in the future. Yes, we'll go for the next part. That is, once again, I will draw the diagram of periodic table. Yes, it is. I'll draw the lowest part. It is the first group number 18. I told it we are having 18 groups. We are having 18 groups. That is, vertical columns are called as groups, and it is vertical columns. And even we are having the periods. Periods. Those are 7. Those are horizontal rows. Horizontal rows. We are having 7. Those are called as periods, and we are having 18 vertical columns. Those are called as groups. Period number, group number 2. Group number 2 is, this is S block. Now we are going into the third group. Yes, third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, and 10, 11, 12 group. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll write it here. Group number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 groups are there. Now we'll go for next. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. This is P block, group number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Last group is 18. Group number 18. See here, period number 1, period number 2, period number 3, period number 4, period number 5, period number 6, period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4, period 5, period 6, period 7. Even I show that we are having the different blocks for this. F block. F block is having different arrangement. Yes, it is S block, P block. 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. F block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more is missing, that is 14. 14 are there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 are there. Okay. SP, it is D and F block. Now it is important. 1s2 SPDF blocks of our principle or energy level diagram. 1s, how many s are there? It is S block. 1s, 1. It is 1s, it is 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. S are 7. 1s, 2s. Remember that SPDF blocks should be written in the small letters. D small is there. F small is there. F block. S block small. P. These all letters should be indicated in the smaller letters. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. Actually, 18th group of first element is helium, and it is because I told it S block maximum are 2, P block maximum are 6, D block maximum are 10, F block maximum are 14. So 1s1, 1s2. Actually, S block element is there in the D block, P block actually. This helium is not having a proper position as per the block wise. It is a drawback of modern periodic table. First drawback. Second drawback, hydrogen actually its property are linked with the 17th group, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Okay, I'll write first. So 1s2 is there. Then P starts with 2. Here is the P block, this is right side of P block, 2P, 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, 6P, 7P. P are 6 now. 2P, 3P, 4P, 5P, 6 and 7. We're having P's are 7 blocks. Then D block. D block starts here because it is from here to here. D block is here until here. Here D block is there. 3rd to 12. D block is there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. D starts with 3. 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Okay, last F block is here, 4F and 5F. Actually, it starts here only, 5D and 4F, 6D and 5F. That will discuss in the next classes. Let's go for it. 4F, 4F, 5F. And elements, it is called as energy level diagram. Yes, and electrons will have been arranged in this way as aroma 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p to 4s. After 3p it is not 3d actually. After 3p it is 4s. Then it comes 3d. 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p. Arrangement is in this way. Is it right or is it right? 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Which is right? What I am showing here, is it right? We just will verify it. I will separate the metals and non-metals and metalloids directly here only until atomic number 20. Atomic number 1, hydrogen is there, 1s1, hydrogen, 1s2 is helium, then one s one hydrogen, 1s2 helium, 1s3 not no no 1s3 is there. Yes is only 2. After 1s we are having 1s1, 1s2. 2s starts here, 2s is here, 2s1, 2s2. 2s1 is lithium, 2s2 is beryllium. After 2s we are having 2p. 2p is there. 2p we are having, yes sir, 2p. 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, 2p6. 2p we are having the boron. Boron I'll make it with the red pen. Yes. After 2p we are having 2p1 because 2p maximum we are having the 6p maximum, 6 are there. 2p1 boron. 2p2, see here, hydrogen. I show it. Hydrogen 1s1, helium 1s2, lithium, lithium 1s1, 1s2 completed, both completed because atomic number of hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3. After 1s1, 1s2 we are having the 2s1, 2s1. Beryllium, atomic number 4 is beryllium. Beryllium 1s1, 1s2 completed, 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, 2s2. Beryllium is here, atomic number 4, 2s2. Atomic number 5, boron. It is boron, 1s2 because 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2. Of 2s2, we are having 2s2 is also completed, 2p1. 2p1, 2p, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In this way, I write it. And atomic number 6 is carbon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Because 1s2 is there, 2s2 is there. After 2s2, 2p1, 2p2. Because carbon has been arranged in this part. Carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. How we write in the, as per the last year, we write the word 1, 2. 2, 2, 2 are there. 2s, 2p are there. 2 plus 2, 4 are there. 2, comma 4 is electronic configuration of carbon. And as per the subshell wise, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2, comma 4. The same thing. 1 is there, 2. 2 and 2. 2s and 2p are there. 2s, 2 electrons, 2p, 2 electrons. 2 plus 2, 4 are there. Later on, after carbon, we are having atomic number 7. 2p, 3 is nitrogen, 2p4 is oxygen, 2p5 is fluorine, 2p6 is neon. Now, if you go for that 3s1, 2p6 is over. Of 2p, we are going for 3s. 3s, we are having the first element is beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium. We are having 14th element is silicon, Si. Yes, 15th element. We are having here 3s. 3s is over. After 3s, we went for the 3p. 3p1 is aluminium. 3p2 is silicon. 3p3. We are having phosphorus. Phosphorus, sulfur. 3p4 sulfur. 3p5 is chlorine. 3p6 is argon. After 3p6, see, it is most important. Until now, everything is going smoothly. After 3p, p maximum is 6. 3p6 is argon. We are not going to 3D, we are going to 4S, because after 3P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are having 4S actually, not 3D. Not first comes S block. So only the arrangement. This is the most important word here. Here 4S is potassium, 4S1, 4S2 is calcium. 4S2 is calcium. Now we'll go for it. Potassium and calcium. I will teach these two and I'll wind up the topic. Potassium. What is that? First comes 1s, 1s2, because potassium is 19, calcium is 20. 1s2, then 2s. 2s2, because we have to move until 19. Of 2s, we are having 2p, 2p, 2p6. Of 2p6, we are having 3s2. After 3s2, we are having 3p6, 3p1, 3p2, 3p3, 3p4, 3p5, 3p6 is there. After 3p6, we are having 4s1. 4s1. See here, potassium is not arranged in the D block. If you go in this way, left to right, if you go in this left to right way, no, you could have arranged in 3D block. But after P block, first comes S block actually. So only it is arranged here. So 2, 8, 8, 1. For first shell, 2 electrons, second shell, 8 electrons, third shell, 8 electrons, fourth shell, 1 electron. Actually, as per 2n square formula, 2 1 square is 2, 2 2 square is 8, 2 3 square is 18. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, third shell 18 electrons maximum are there. But 18 maximum are there, only 8 is adjusted. Why they did not went for the 2, 8, 9? It is the reason. Reason is electronic configuration. After that, automatically 2, 8, 8, 2 is calcium, because here is the, after calcium we are entering to 3D. From 4s we are moving for 3D. From 3D we will move for the 4p. After 4P, we'll go for the 5S. 4D will be there. These are the arrangements. After 4D here, 4D ends, 4D, 10 ends. No, we have to go for 4F. 4F is here. One element arranged here, one element arranged here. Okay, we'll discuss these all topics in our next class. Thank you to one and all.